Hey, this is Mark, and today I've got an S6 that has no image. Um, so the first thing I did was boot it up and test and see is it actually detected by the computer, and it is. It just has no picture on the display, and I noticed that the top end of the board felt pretty hot. Um, so I let it cool down a little bit and then powered it back up and felt around to try and find the heat, and it was this chip right here that was getting hot. So what I'm hoping is that this chip has failed somehow and just replacing it is all that's necessary. um, don't really know, never done this kind of a problem before, never worked on a Samsung with no image, so we'll see. Oh, jeez. Wow, China. So this is obviously a reballed chip, and they did not clean off the excess solder paste. So that is going back in the package. Let's see if I can find another one of these. All right. This one is in better shape, but not great. So looks like China can't get the ones that fell off a truck, and they are reballing chips. All right, I'll just clean this guy up real quick. All right, I think that'll work. I believe this was the proper orientation, but I'm just going to double check. Let's see. Yep, pin A1 in that corner. One thing I like about Samsungs is they have these marks at opposite corners of the chip that really help you line things up. All right. Let's see if that worked. And there we go. We have image again. There's the old Samsung logo. So, yeah, that was pretty easy. Thanks for watching.